Welcome to Craftify AI tutorials. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about Google reviews and how you can manage them directly from your Craftify AI dashboard. So starting off in your dashboard, you've logged in. This is where you should land. I'm going to scroll down, and at the bottom, you're going to find your Google business reviews. Here, you're going to see your overall tally of all of your reviews, how many you've got. And then here, you're going to see a rolling scroll of recent reviews that have just come in. So this is 1 day ago. And it tells you how many new ones you have. We can scroll through here just to see what they look like. These are the new ones. And here you can choose also to reply to these reviews. So by clicking reply here, automatically here on the right hand side will pop up and it will show you the review that's up here. And then we, as Craftify AI, will automatically generate a review response for you to reply with. If you don't like that, you can always click this again right here. These little stars will generate another reply, or you can also click this here and you can enhance it. Okay. Otherwise, you can work with this as any workable document. You can adjust it. You can type in what you want. You can change anything that you'd like. And then when you're ready, you just click submit reply. Okay. Now, another place you can see your Google business reviews is through your insights. If you come over to insights and then scroll over this top bar here, you're going to find Google reviews here. And then scroll down in here, you're going to see all of your reviews. Now, from here, you can also choose to click reply directly here. The same pop-up will come up and we'll go ahead and generate a response for you automatically. You can also view the replies that you've left before. So here we've left a reply before, and you can see a reply that's happened before, okay? You cannot edit them once you've already posted them. You can also choose here to view your Google reviews directly in Google, or you can copy your Google review link directly here so you can send it off to whoever you need to ask for a Google review. It's all in one spot. Now, again, here we're going to see our total stars, how many reviews we have. And this is a great way for you to be able to manage replying back to your Google reviews. That gives you a lot more authority within your Google research results. And it's a great way to also keep happy customers happy and coming back again. So I hope this was useful for you. Also, let's just go to show up how we set this up. In our business profile area, you'll come down here, and in the business information area, you should have already added your Google business automatically when you signed up for Craftify AI. So if you want to click this refresh button, that'll refresh your Google business to make sure everything is still updated in the same information that Google has, and automatically your reviews will then show up in your insights and then also here in your dashboard. So I hope this was helpful. Leave us a comment if you have any questions, and have a great day. Happy crafting.